I'm just back from holiday. The campmaster was in his element. What a fantastic time. Good bush, good food, and literally everybody around the campfire. It's the heater, it's the oven, it's the great entertainer, the bush telly. And to keep that timber fuel up to it over the years, we've tried several approaches. Sometimes dragging pre-cut timber for miles in trailers. At other times, swinging the axe for hours and hours on site. Sometimes trying to burn just ridiculous small amounts of wood. And at others, destroying the serenity with the petrol chainsaw. Wow! We'd be after something that can handle big and small jobs alike, something that's pretty quiet, something that's not too large, and something that's pretty light. I'm not asking for much, am I? But seriously, I think I found something that will fit this entire bill. It's new and it's from STIHL. And if it's a STIHL, for me, it's vetted just in the name. Welcome, MSA 80C battery chainsaw. I've said it before on here, honestly, they dominate my personal tool collection, and that was long before I joined the gurus and remains so today. Simply great quality, reliable, and a network to crow about. Well, these are certainly redundant, and I haven't been breathing in any fumes. Fantastic. And despite all that, it certainly didn't have any trouble whatsoever in cutting big bits of timber. Weighing under 6 kilograms, the new MSA 80C has been designed to have the best power to weight ratio in all the AK battery range. It's recommended the AK30S battery be used for a great combination of power and efficiency. The new MSA 80C also features a decent 14-inch bar, a quick chain tension system, and a tool-free chain adjustment. Wow, look at that. 3 out of 4 on the battery after doing all that. Look, STIHL are everywhere. They're also online. So if you're ready to make yourself the home master or camp master, you've got options now to make it happen.